Hello, everybody. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, teacher, and you?
Hi, Jean Baptiste. I'm great. Thank you very much for asking. I am glad that you are fine too. Hello, hello, everybody. Let's see. Okay, hello, hello. Hi, Alicia. Hi, Dawson.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Thank you very much for asking, Dawson, and I am glad that you are great as well. Hi, Hubert. Hi, Maria. Hi, Rubens. I hope that you are all good, okay, guys, that you're good. And welcome, okay, guys. Welcome back to your English class. I hope that everything is going great, okay, guys, for you. And let's start, okay? I apologize for the delay, guys. I know that we got, like 10 minutes or so of delay. But I had some issues with my internet connection, so I'm back here, right? And I think everything is working fine now. So thank you very much for that. And with that being said, okay, guys, let's start our day. Okay, let's start our day. So, mm, let me take a look here just to make sure that I got it open. Bear with me, guys. Cool. So I have to say, guys, I don't know what is going on with Guatemala's weather, right, guys? But it is crazy. Okay, remember that I don't know if I told you that this time, around May, June, July, all the way up to November or December, right? It's winter here in Guatemala. It's supposed to be winter here in Guatemala, right? But it's been like some days it's been raining. It has been raining a lot, and there's cold, right? There's cold. And other days, like today, it's hot. Okay, guys, it's really, really hot. The weather, it's really hot. You can feel it, and I don't know what's going on, guys. I think it's because the how is it? The environment is not that good, right? So I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it, because it's not about some changes that just happen in the environment, but it means that we are doing something wrong with it. So this is why I don't know, this ups and downs between the weather here in Guatemala. I don't know if for you is the same, guys. Have you had these crazy weather changes or not? Like, I don't know, one day is raining and it's cold, and another day or the other day is hot, like really, really hot. I don't know. Does that happen, guys, to you back at Dominican Republic? No? Okay. Okay, guys, no worries. So I just wanted to share that with you because yeah, today is been, whew, it's been really, really interesting. Okay, guys, interesting relating to the weather. Okay, great, guys. So let's start here. Bear with me a moment. That's it. So let me share my screen with you, okay, so that you can see the content. So guys, today we are going to talk about another topic. Remember that we have been talking about prepositions of place. We have been talking about food, right, guys? Supermarket vocabulary that it's helpful for you to use it whenever you are asking for the location of a product, right, guys? Where is the milk? Where are the apples? And so on, right? So today we are going to change the topic, okay, guys? We are going to change the topic, and we are going to talk about this, okay? So let's find some answers, okay, to prepare ourselves to what's coming next, okay? So just give me a moment here because I don't see my screen. Um, nice. So let's find some answers, okay? How many hours does a day have, guys? How many hours does a day have? hmm Do you have any idea? How many? Does it have 1 hour, 2 hours? How?
24.
Nice. A day has 24 hours. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jean Baptiste. Now let's see how many
Yes.
minutes does an hour have. Mhm. How many minutes does an hour have?
24.
Minutes?
60.
Aha. 60 minutes, right? So 1 hour, an hour has 60 minutes. And how many seconds does a minute have?
60.
That's it. 60, right? 60 seconds. That's right, guys. So, as you can tell, right, guys, we are going to talk about time, okay? We are going to talk about time. So, in measures, okay, how can I measure time? I can measure time in hours, minutes, seconds, okay? I can measure time in days, weeks, months, years, right, guys? So that's how we measure. It means how can I express time with a measure that makes sense, okay, guys? That makes sense and equals to a certain quantity or amount of time, okay, guys? So, as we are going to talk about time, guys, let's talk about how to express the time in English, okay? So, to ask about the time in English, we can use any of the following questions, okay? When you want to know what time is it, okay, guys, the time. So, you can ask, what time is it? Okay, what time is it? What's the time? Right? The second option is what's the time? Or what's the time, please? Okay, what's the time, please? It is also nice to say excuse me, right? If we want to sound polite, okay, guys, if you want to sound polite and that you are, easygoing person, then you can say excuse me, what time is it? Excuse me, what's the time? It's like being polite. It means that you are asking the question with the purpose of not being rude. Okay, guys. If I go walk, if I go walking, right, guys, and I want to know the time, if I just ask some stranger, hey, what what's the time? Is going to sound rude, right? But if you say, hey, excuse me, what time is it? Right? It sounds softer. Okay, guys? It sounds softer. So, with that being said, right, guys, you have three questions that you can use to know the time in English. Okay? Now, let's talk about ways. Okay, guys? Ways in which you can tell or give the time or being given the time. Okay, guys, be given the time. It means that if you ask what time is it, people can answer to that question using one of the ways that we are going to learn today. Okay? So, way number 1, okay? When saying the time, you can just read the numbers and say 8 5, right? It's 8 5, right? Or it's 8:05 as well. Remember that with numbers, with telephone numbers, we can say O instead of 0, right? So we can apply the same thing to time, okay? So I could say it's 8:05 or it's 8:05, okay? Another example. It's 7:15. I am just reading the numbers, okay, guys? I am just reading the numbers. Nothing else. 7:15. Okay? Another example. It's 9:25. Again, I am just reading the numbers. Okay, guys, I'm just reading the numbers, and that's pretty much it. So, the last example is this one. Okay, is 10:30. Again, I'm just reading the numbers. Okay, it's 10:30. But it's not the only way. Okay, guys, that is one way in which you can give the time. Okay, guys, just reading the numbers. Okay, so what happens when we talk about other ways? Okay, guys, other ways to express time. Well, let's take a look to this. Okay, to get to the way number two of expressing time, guys, I have some useful expressions. Okay, so expression number one, it's o'clock. Okay, guys, it means that 0 minutes have gone by from the hour. Okay, guys, so if I say, yeah, it's 5 o'clock, it means that it's 5:00. It means that not a minute has gone by. Okay, so o'clock means the hour sharp. Okay, guys, the hour sharp. If I want to refer to the set of 15 minutes, I can express it as quarter. Okay, guys, quarter. So when talking about time, guys, if I use quarter, it is understood that I am referring to 15 minutes, okay? I don't know if it's 15 minutes from the hour, right, guys, past the hour, 7:15, right? Or if it's just give me a moment, guys. That's it. Or if 15 minutes are missing to the next hour, okay? So it's 7:45, for example. And I can say, well, I am missing 15 minutes to complete the next hour. Okay? So a quarter, whenever you hear a quarter talking about time, it is referring to the set of 15 minutes. Okay? And we have another expression to refer to the set of 30 minutes, and it's half. Okay, guys? Half. Now, heads up with the pronunciation, right, guys? Heads up with the pronunciation of this one. Okay, it has two pronunciations. Okay, number one, half. Okay, I pronounce all the letters half, or half. It means that I do not pronounce the L. Okay, guys, so those two pronunciations are used. Okay, guys, it depends on your choice pretty much, and how you would like to pronounce it. It is easier, okay, guys, it is easier if you use half. It means without the L. Okay, um you can use the other pronunciation for other situations. Okay, half. Again, half or half is correct. Okay, guys? That's it. So now that we know three useful expressions to, you know, refer to 0 minutes, right? O'clock, 15 minutes, quarter, or 30 minutes, half, let's go and try to go deeper into way number two, or option number two, of expressing time. Okay, so other expressions, right, guys? This is option number two. Option number one is just reading the numbers. Remember, option number one is just reading the numbers. Option number two, well, here we use two words. Okay, use past. Okay, guys, use past to talk about minutes that are gone, that are finished. Okay, guys? That are gone. It means that is the past. Okay, guys? Minutes are gone. Okay? And use to talk about missing minutes to the next hour. So let's take a look to the examples so that we can have a better idea on this. Okay? So when using this option, okay guys, when using this option, we are going to say the minutes first and then we mention the hour. Okay, guys? In way number one, in this one, I say the hour and then the minutes, right? 8, 5. I am expressing the hour first and then I have the minutes. Okay? And then I have the minutes. But in option number two, I do it backwards. Okay, guys? I do it the other way around. So I'd say the minutes first and then the hour. So let's take a look to the example. If I am at this hour, 7:05, and I want to use the words past or to, I would mention the minutes first. So it's 5, right? Past 7. It means that 5 minutes are gone, are finished, already passed from the hour 7. So 5 past 7. Okay? Now let's go with example number 2. I have 6:55. Okay? 6:55. If I want to use the words past 2 and I am missing 5 minutes to the next hour, 5 minutes to 7, then I would say 5 to 7. If I say 5 to 7, guys, it is giving the understanding of this. Okay, it's referring to the missing minutes. It means what we have to go through before getting to the next hour. Okay, and here I say the next hour because once those 5 minutes are gone, we are going to be at 7. Okay, guys, we are going to be in the next hour. Okay, so that is why I use the next hour. Okay, and not the hour that I am in. Okay, I cannot say 5 to 6, for example, to express this time. Okay, to express 6:55 because it is giving another direction. Okay, guys, it is giving another direction. So now let's talk about this further. Okay, guys, and for that I have this. Okay, guys, I have more examples for you. So, this one. In option number one, I could say, well, it's 8:15, right? It's 8:15, and that's it. Okay? Now, if I want to use the expressions past or to, I could say, well, it's quarter, it means 15 minutes past 8, right? Past 8. It means that 15 minutes are gone from the hour 8. Okay? Example number 2, 9:30, right? 9:30. If I want to express this using past or to, I could say half, which is the set of 30 minutes, remember? So half past 9. Okay? Half past 9. Because 30 minutes are gone from the hour 9. Okay, guys? And now let's go with example number 3. 10:45. Okay? 10:45. If I want to express this using to or past, again, I have quarter, 15 minutes, to 11. It's the next hour. Okay, guys? Once those minutes are gone, I will be in the hour 11. Okay? So this is why I use to and the next hour. Okay? Quarter to 11. This is how I can express this hour 10:45 using past or to. Okay? So this is really important. This is really important because it is really common, okay guys, is commonly used, okay guys, is commonly used by natives, and it's really used by elders, okay guys, by elder people that prefer to express the time like this. And here I have a little diagram, okay guys, so that you can take a look, okay, take a look and have a better understanding on when to use past and when to use to. Okay, just give me one moment. Let me change the order so that you can see it better. Just bear with me a moment here. I think I'm going to change it. Oh, like this. Cool. So let's take a look here. Okay, let's take a look here to the clock. Okay, guys, let's take a look to the clock. So if I take one of these watches, okay guys, one of these, the ones that you have to read like the needles and all of that, so you are able to understand it better. So let's imagine that I am talking about this type of clocks or watches, okay? This type of clocks or watches, okay? This is the one that it's going to be the reference to this image, okay guys? So let's take a look. When I'm gonna leave it right here. So when I am talking about a clock, it means the hour sharp, okay? 8:00, 10:00, right? O'clock, 0 minutes have gone by. So I would say o'clock. Okay, I'm going to say o'clock. 8 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Okay, it means sharp, right? Sharp. Now, as the clock runs, right, I am going to express the minutes. Okay, so from o'clock to the 30 minutes, it means the half of the hour, I will use past. 5 past 7, 10 past 8, quarter past 12, 20 past, I don't know, 6, for example. 25 past 2, and half past 9. Okay? So from the o'clock to the 30 minutes, I will use past. Okay? And from the 30 minutes to the other half, okay, guys, the other 30 minutes to the o'clock of the next hour, I will use to. Okay? So I start 25 to 11, 20 to 12, quarter to 3, 10 to 8, 5 to 3, and again I go 2 o'clock, right? 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, okay? Why? If I use this example, number 3, if I say 45 past 10, it is not used like that, right? Because once the 30 minutes, the half of the hour, is gone, I start using 2. So I start using the missing minutes. So I would say quarter to 11. Okay, guys, I cannot say 45 past 10. Okay, guys, no. Because again, from 10:30 to 11, right? From 10:30 to 11, I will use 2. Okay, guys? 20 to 11, a quarter to 11, 5 to 11. Okay? And it happens with all the hours. Let's say that if I had, I don't know, Mm, 3, 3:35, for example. It's 3:35. So I would say as 3:30 it's already gone, I start using 2. So how many minutes am I missing for the hour for the next hour? I am missing 25, right? So I would say 25 to 4 because in 25 minutes we will be at 4 o'clock. Okay, so I start using 2 for the missing minutes. Okay, guys, so this is really important, and this diagram is going to help you out a lot. Okay, guys, because um, it is giving a better understanding. Okay, a better understanding on how you can use to and past to express the time. Okay, so let's take a look to more examples. Okay, let's take a look to more examples. Let's see, for example, Maria, could you help me out with example number 1, please?
What? Excuse me, I don't understand.
Sure,
Repeat, please.
sure. Can you read example number 1? This one?
Let me try.
Hmm?
It's 1 o'clock. It's
Cool.
1 o'clock.
That's it. Awesome. Thank you very much, Maria. That's it. So if I ask, excuse me, what's the time? Oh, it's 1 o'clock. It is giving this hour, right, guys? 0 minutes, right? So let's take a look to the clock. Okay, let's take a look to the clock, and it's 1, right? 1:00. It means 1 o'clock, right? 1 o'clock. Now let's go with example number 2. Let's see. Uh, Dawson, Dawson, excuse me, what's the time? Mhm. Oh no, Dawson, I can't hear you. I see. Hello?
It's a quarter past one.
That's it. Awesome. Thank you very much, Dawson. Thank you very much. Cool. Now let's take a look to this, guys, because this is really important as well. Now here I am seeing another word, right? Which is a. Remember that we have talked about the indefinite um, articles, right, guys? A, an. And this one is going to be used to refer to 1 quarter. Okay, guys? Sometimes I can say just it's 1 quarter past 1 without the a. Okay, guys? It is going to be used as well. Or I can add to express that I am talking about 1 quarter, for example. Okay, guys, it is redundant. Okay, guys, it is redundant because I only use quarter to express 15 minutes or the minutes 45, right? A quarter past 8 or a quarter to 9. Okay, so using a is up to you. Okay, guys, it's up to you. To be honest with you, I have heard like both of them. It's 1/4 past 1 or it's a 1/4 past 1. Almost the same, okay, guys? Almost the same, with the same frequency in the end. So pretty much, guys, you can decide if you want to use a quarter or just quarter, okay, guys, without the a. So you can say it's 1/4 past 1, it means that it's 1:15, or you can say it's a 1/4 past 1. It's the same, 1:15. Okay, guys, so it's up to you. Now, this is only going to happen with quarters. Okay, guys, it's a 1/4 past 1, right? And that's it. Now, let's continue with example number 3. Let's see. Uh, Elisha? Excuse me, Elisha. What time is it? Nice. It's 1:30. Thank you very much. You got it, right? So here is the same. It's 1:30. If I look at the needles, right guys, if I look at the clock, well, it's 1:30, right? 1:30, it's 1:30. Okay, guys, so that's how we do it. Okay, guys, we are talking about the minutes that are gone. 30 minutes are gone from the hour one. Okay, guys? And now let's go with the example number 4. Let's see, Jean Baptiste, excuse me, what's the time?
It's a quarter to two.
That's it. Thank you very much.
It's a quarter. It's a quarter to two.
Yeah, that is correct. So yeah, it's a quarter to
Yes.
2, right? It means that it's 1:45, right guys? Because I am talking about the next hour. So it's 1:45. It's a quarter, 15 minutes to 2, right? Once those 15 minutes are gone, then we are going to get to 2 o'clock. Okay, guys? That's it. Cool. Now let's continue, guys. Now it's time to practice. Okay, guys? It's time to practice. Now, question number 1. When saying the time, how can you say these minutes? Okay, guys? So, if I want to refer to 00, it means 0 minutes. What's the expression that I can use, guys? Alicia?
O'clock.
Great. O'clock, right? O'clock. Thank you very much. Now, if I want to express the set of 15 minutes, how can I express it?
Quarter.
Cool. Quarter, right? Oh, bear with me a moment, guys. Someone is trying to. Uh-huh. That's it. So, clock and 15 minutes, quarter, right? And what about 30 minutes? What expression can I use? Dozen?
Half.
That's it. Half, right? Half. Awesome, guys. Now let's go with question number 2. Which are the words you use for the gone and missing minutes? Let's go with the gone minutes. What is the expression or the word that I can use?
Quarter past.
Huh? So the word is past, right? Past. From o'clock to 30 minutes, from o'clock to the half, I can say past, right? And if I want to refer to the missing minutes, what is the word that I can use? Dozen?
Two.
Great. 2. Okay, guys, that's it. So past 2. That's it. Awesome. Now let's go with exercise number 3. Now I am going to ask some of you to help me out and tell me the hour that you see on the screen. Okay, guys? So we are going to go one by one so that everybody has a chance, and then we are going to check it out. Okay? So let's see. Rubens. Excuse me, Rubens. What time is this? What time is it? Rubens? Can you hear me? No? Okay, let's see. Calixt? What time is it?
Half, um, half eight,
Uh-huh, great. So we are missing one word. 8:30. Remember?
past eight.
Nice. That's it. 8:30. Great. Now let's see. Uh, Uber. Uber, excuse me. What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
Great. It's 9 o'clock. Awesome. Thank you very much. Now let's continue. Let's see. Dawson. Dawson, excuse me. What time is it?
Quarter to 10.
Okay. Remember that 2 is for the missing minutes. Okay. So if we say a quarter to 10, we are referring to this hour. Let me get to that. We are saying 9:45. Okay? Oh, bear with me a moment. Where is it? There we go. So if I say a quarter to 10, I am saying the 9:45. So how can I say 10:15 using past or to? It's a quarter
It's a quarter
huh, past
past
10, right?
10.
Cool.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah. That's cool. Awesome. Thank you very much, Dawson. You got it. Now let me
Okay.
go back. I don't know why it disappears, guys. That's it. So here it's a quarter past 10, right, guys? A quarter past 10. Now let's go with, let's see, Jean Baptiste. Excuse me, what time is it?
It's a quarter past 11.
Mm-hmm. Past or to?
Past.
Okay,
It's a it's a quarter past 11.
okay. So if I say a quarter past 11, I am saying, oh, bear with me a moment here. Uh, Let me get the pen. So if I say a quarter past 11, I am saying this. A quarter past 11. Okay? So is it past or to?
Past.
Mm, no. Again, if I say a quarter past 11, I am saying this time. 11:15. But it's not this one, right? It's 11:45. So it's a quarter to 12. Make sense?
Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay. I understand.
Great. That's it. Awesome. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Great. Awesome. So it's a quarter to 12, right? Because after 15 minutes, we are going to be at 12 o'clock. Awesome. Now let's continue. Let's see. Uh, Ladison. Hi, Ladison. How are you? You're busy? Okay. Oh, no, there
Hi,
you go.
teacher. I'm flying you.
I am fine, Ladison. Thank you very much for asking. So tell me, Ladison, what time is this? What time is it?
It's 55 past 1.
Okay. Mm, good, but I do not use past beyond 30 minutes. Okay, 1:30, I start using 2. How many minutes are we missing to get to 2 o'clock? How many minutes are we missing to get to 2 o'clock?
Okay.
For example, here. We are here, right? So it's 5,
Yes.
2, 2. Because after
Oh,
5
okay.
minutes, we are going to get to 2 o'clock. Make sense?
Okay.
Great. That's it. Thank you very much, Ledison. You got it. Now let's continue. Let's see Rubens. Rubens, what time is this? What time is it? Okay, Rubens? No?
It's
Mhm.
um, it's 2:20.
Uh-huh. Nice. That's it. 220. The easy way. Cool. Would you like to try using past or to? Mhm. Would you like to try using past or to, the other option?
It's past 20.
Okay. So it's, let's say first the minutes. How many minutes do you have? 20, right? So you have 20 past 2. Okay? First we say the minutes and then the hour.
Okay. It's past 2:20.
It is 20 past 2.
Okay, 20 past 2.
That's it. Awesome. Thank you very much, Rubens. You got it. Thank you. Thank you. Now let's go with another example. Okay? Remember that this is practice. So let's see Maria. Maria, what time is it? Mhm. Maria, can you hear me?
It's 3 to 25.
Okay.
I don't.
Well, it's okay.
It's
No worries. Uh-huh. Go again.
it is 3 past 25. Excuse me.
Okay, no worries. It's right, but remember that when using past or to, you have to say the minutes first. So how many minutes do you have here?
25.
Uh-huh. So 25 past 3, right?
Okay.
That's it. Yes, you say the minutes first, guys. The minutes first and then the hour. That's it. Great, guys. Now let's continue. Let's keep on practicing. Let's see. Um, bear, bear with me a moment, guys. Why is it? There you go. So let's see. Shimide. Hi, Shimide. Could you help me out? What time is it?
Hi, teacher.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks, Training.
I am fine. Thank you very much for asking. So tell me, Shimide, what time is it?
Is it uh, 25 past 4?
Okay. Well, we are good, 25, but remember that when using or referring to the missing minutes, I would use 2, right? So we are here, 25 to the next hour. So after those 20 minutes are gone, we are going to reach 5 o'clock, right?
Why?
Yeah. So I would say 25 to 5.
I'm not understand, teacher.
Yeah, okay. So let's go again. Let me go back here. Here. Okay, let's take a look to the picture over here. So,
Five
uh,
past.
mhm. So when I am o'clock, it means 2 o'clock. 200. I have
Oh,
to use past from o'clock to half. From 1 o'clock to 1:30. Okay? So I'd say 5 past 1, 10 past 1. Okay? And after 1:30, I will use 2 with the missing minutes. It means that when those minutes are gone, I am going to reach the next hour. So for example, if it's 1:35, I would say it's 25 to 2, right? Because after 25 minutes, we are going to reach the hour 2, okay? It's the same if I say it's a quarter to 3, for example. It means that after 15 minutes, we are going to reach the hour number 3. So it's 2:45 in that moment. Okay? Make sense? Yeah? Okay. Cool. So here it would be 25, right? To 5. The next hour. Because after 25 minutes, we are going to reach 5 o'clock, right? So after 25 minutes, we are going to reach 5 o'clock. So 25 to 5. Awesome. Now let's continue. Let's see. Elisha, could you help me out with this one, please? What time is it? That's it. 5 past 7. Thank you very much. Cool. So 5 past 7, right, guys? Because 5 minutes are gone from the hour 7. That's it. Now let's continue. Let's see. Calixt, would you help me out with this one, please? What time is it? Mhm. Or let's see. Dawson, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Okay. Hmm. 10 o'clock means that we are. Ah, bear with me a moment. It means that we are here. 10 o'clock. So it's not the one, right? Let's try again. What time is it, Dawson?
It's 10
Hmm. Oh, can you repeat it, please? It got cut off.
It's 10 o'clock.
Okay, well, 10 o'clock is this hour. So it's not 10 o'clock. Okay, you can say the minutes. So 10 past or 2.
Pass.
Nice. 10 past and the hour. What's the hour?
Eh, 12.
Aha. So it's, let's go again.
It's 10 past 12.
That's it. Great, you got it. Okay, amazing. You got it. Thank you very much. Now let's continue. Let's see. Hubert, would you help me out with this one, please? What time is it?
So I can say 10, 10 past noon.
Ah, yeah, true. You can say that as well.
Okay.
Awesome.
It is, it is 5 to 4.
Awesome. That's it. Great. Word, you got it. So yeah, it's 5 to 4, right guys? Because after 5 minutes, I will reach 4 o'clock. That's it. Thank you very much. Now let's continue. Let's see, for example, doo-doo-doo-doo. Bear with me a moment here. Let's see. Lerison, could you help me out with this one, please? What time is it?
It's
Hmm? Let me help you out a little bit. Let's go back here. Where are you? 40, right? So it's around here. Hmm?
it's 40
Okay.
to uh,
Hmm? To the next hour.
it's 40 past 5.
Okay. Okay. No worries. It's good, but remember that we do not use past after 4:40. Sorry, 4:30. Okay. So in this case, if I say the missing minutes, I would say 20 to 6. Okay, because after 20 minutes, we are going to reach 6 o'clock. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, great. Yeah, because let's say that I can use past from 5 o'clock to 5:30. After 5:30, I start using 2 with the missing minutes. Okay, 25 to 6. 20 to 6. A quarter to 6. Okay?
Yeah, I
Nice.
understand.
Awesome. There we go, guys. Great. So, that's it. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Now, bear with me a moment here. Mm, hmm. Just give me a moment, guys. Let me get this. Where is it? There we go. Awesome, guys. So now we are going to keep on practicing. Okay, guys? Let me share with you this. This is an online exercise, okay, that will help you out to keep on practicing the time. Okay, so bear with me a moment. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see the exercise, okay? So, I am going to share with you this link, okay, guys, so that you can access the online exercise and you can do it by yourself, okay, guys? So, activity number 1. What time is it? Choose the right answer. So here I am using half past 12 o'clock, right, guys? So I am using past to o'clock, a quarter, right, guys? And I can choose all the options that apply. So, for example, let's do number one just for you to have an example, right? A guide. But then you are going to do this on your own, okay? So, let's try to do this. This one, if I look at the clock, right, guys, let me get that bigger, okay? If I look at the clock, well, I see that it's what? 11, right, guys? That is the hour, so it's 11 o'clock, right? Because it's 0 minutes. So 11 o'clock. Okay, guys, that is the only answer, right? That is the only answer because I cannot say it's half past 11, right? Because it will be referring to 11:30. So it's not that time, the one that it's showing on the clock. Okay, guys, so the only option that applies is 11 o'clock. Let's go with another example, for example. Let me see if I can get another one that might have more than one. This one. No. No, this one is not. Let's see. I think that's it. I think yeah. But let's say that if some if one of these, okay guys, has more than one correct answer, you can choose it. Okay, guys, you can select more than one. So make sure that you read all the options and make sure that they apply or do not apply to the answer. Okay, guys, so that is activity number one. And activity number two, write the answer. Okay, guys, what time is it? Write the answer. So here you are going to watch, okay, guys, you're going to see the clocks, right? And you have to tell me. For example, number one, the hour is what? Almost reaching 5 o'clock, right? So in this case, we can say it's a quarter to 5, right? So I will write it's a quarter to 5, right? Because that is the hour that it is giving on the clock. So almost reaching 5, but I am missing 15 minutes. Okay, guys, I am missing 15 minutes. So a quarter to 5. Okay, this is supposed to be used only with past or to. Okay, I cannot write the easy way. Okay, guys, I cannot say, well, it's 4:45, right? It is going to be incorrect. But if I use this, okay, guys, if I use this way, it is going to check it correctly. So now that we have some here, right, guys? Once we are done, over here all the way to the bottom, okay guys, all the way to the bottom, you are going to have this button that says done. So here I'm going to check done, right guys? Of course that I failed because I don't have a lot of things answered, but the answers that you have correct are going to be marked down with green. Okay guys, so this is correct because it's marked in green. Okay guys, so if you check your answers and there are red answers, it means that it is wrong. It is incorrect. So you can check it, okay? You can check that there's no spaces in between, that you are using past to, and that you are writing the numbers correctly. Okay, guys? So after you are done, as you could see, it will provide you with how is it with a score, right guys? So for example, if I go again and let's say that I already completed everything and I click done. So this little guy over here, right, is going to give you the score out of 10, how much you got. So to this, okay guys, to this you are going to take a screenshot of your results and you are going to share that in the WhatsApp group. Okay, guys? Just to your score. It means to this little guy over here. Okay, guys? With your score. And that's it. Okay, guys, so this is a worksheet that will help you to get more practice, with time and how to express time using past or to, and we are going to take advantage of that. So let me share that with you. That's it. So I already sent it to the WhatsApp group. You can click over it and you can start with the exercise. Okay, guys, you can start with the exercise, and after we are going to review. Okay, guys, we're going to review the answers. So make sure that you take a screenshot once you are done. Okay, guys, once you are done. Okay, so let's take a look. 20 minutes. Okay, guys, we'll have 20 minutes to complete the exercise. If you have questions, let me know. Okay? All right, guys. So 20 minutes on the clock. Okay, guys, 20 minutes on the clock. I hope that you are ready. Okay, guys. So that you have finished the exercise, right, guys? So just bear with me a moment here. Nice. So let's take a look. Okay, guys, let's take a look to the exercise. Okay, let's take a look to the exercise and the answers to the worksheet. Okay, guys, so let's take a look. Mm, what time is it? Choose the right answer, right? If you haven't finished, okay, guys, if you didn't finish, don't worry, okay, guys. You can do that after, okay? You can complete the exercise after. Don't worry about that. It's just for you to keep on practicing, okay? And we are going to check just activity number 1, and next Monday we are going to check activity number 2. Okay, guys? So just for you to have that into consideration so that you can finish, okay, guys? So that you can finish and, test your own abilities or your own skills when regarding the time in English. Okay, guys? So let's take a look. Activity number 1. So, what time is it? Choose the right answer. Okay, so let's go with number 1. What time is it, guys? In clock number 1.
11 o'clock.
Great. It's 11 o'clock. Right, guys? Awesome. Now let's continue with clock number 2. What time is it, guys? What time is it here?
It's quarter past 6.
Great. It's a quarter past 6. Right, guys? That's it. This is the only option, right, guys? Because if I see it's half past 3, it is not correct, right, guys? Because I am referring to 3:30, and we are not in 3:30, okay, guys? We are not on 3:30. Now let's go. It's a quarter to 6. It is not correct, right, guys? Because I am referring to 5:45, and it's not the time that is marking on the clock, okay, guys? That's it. So let's go with clock number 3, guys. What time is it in clock number 3?
It,
It's
it's 5
5
to 4.
Nice. It's 5 to 4, right, guys? Because here I'm about to get 4, right, guys? I'm about to get 4 o'clock, but I am missing 5 minutes, so it's 5 to 4. Thank you very much. That's it. Now let's continue with clock number 4. What time is it, guys, in clock number 4?
It's half past 4.
Great. It's half past 4, right, guys? That's it. It's 4 o'clock is not correct, right, guys? It's half past 5. I am not at 5 yet, so it's 4:30, right, guys? It's half past 4. That's it. Now let's see, Dawson. Could you help me with number 5, please?
It's 10 past 12.
Okay, let's see. It's 10 past 12. Okay. Is it past or 2? What do you think? Am I missing 10? Aha, that's it. Cool. So it's 10 to 12, right? Make sense? Awesome, awesome. That's it. Thank you very much, Dawson. Now let's go with clock number 6. Let's see, Alicia, could you help me out, please?
It's 12 to 9.
It's just keep in it's 20, right? Sorry, it's 20 to 9. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That is correct, right, guys? It's 9 to 20 is incorrect because remember, when using past and to, I say the minutes first. So 20 to 9, the next hour, right, guys? After 20 minutes, I'll reach 9. That's it. Now let's go with the next one. Let's see. Uh, Rubens, could you help me out with this one, please?
past 10.
Okay, is good, but remember, we say the minutes first. How many minutes do we have?
10.
Aha. So we say the minutes, it's 10 past and the hour. So it's 10 past.
Okay. 10 past 4.
Nice. That's it. 10 past 4, right, guys? Remember, minutes first and then the hour. Great. Awesome. Thank you very much, Rubens. Now let's continue. Let's go again. Let's see, Hubert, could you help me out with this one, please?
It's quarter to 5.
Great. That's it. It's a quarter to 5, right, guys? Because here I am missing 15 minutes to get to 5 o'clock. So it's a quarter to 5. It's 15 minutes to 5. Okay? That's it. Now let's go with the next one. Let's see, Dawson, could you help me out with this one?
It's 25 past 2.
25 past 2. Great. That's it. Amazing, right? 25 past 2. Great. Now let's go with the next one. Let's see, Alicia. Could you help me out, please?
It's 5 to 5.
It's 5 to 5. That's great, right? 5 minutes to get to 5 o'clock. That's it, because we are almost getting to 5, right, guys? Almost. So, yes, that's it. Now let's go with the next one. Let's see. Uh, Rubens, could you help me out, please? Okay. Or let's see. Um, Ladison, could you help me out with this one, please? Okay. Or let's see, Gladys. Gladys, could you help me out with this one, please? Okay, let's go, Alicia. Thank you very much.
It's 25 to 5.
25 to 5. That's it, 25 to 5, right, guys? We are almost reaching 5 o'clock. That's it. Thank you very much, Alicia. You got it. And let's go with the last one. Let's see, Hubert, could you help me out, please?
It's 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. That's it, guys. Amazing. Okay, guys, you did it. So right now I'm going to click on done, right, guys? Of course that I am not getting a 10 because I am missing part number 2, right, guys? But we are going to complete that on Monday so that you can have a refresh, okay, guys, have a review of the time and how do we express it. So here I'm gonna click done, but I am going to get, failed, right? Because I didn't complete the part number 2. And here, let's see, well, we are good. Okay, guys, we are good to go. That's it, guys. So with that being said, okay, guys, we are going to leave our class over here, okay? I hope that you have a great weekend, guys, okay? I see you next Monday. Hope that you rest a lot, okay? That you enjoy your weekend and see you, okay, guys? I hope that you have a great, great weekend and night, okay? So good night, everybody. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Good night, teacher.
Bye, guys. See you on Monday.
Okay.